Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. It's Doug. Welcome back to another video right now. I can't talk. Today I know I haven't been uploading in a while. I've been busy, but today we're on Roblox Studio. Surprise, surprise. Today I'm going to be showing you how to open up a GUI and close a GUI. So let's get straight into the video. First, since I've started GUI, add in a screen GUI. I'm gonna name it test, but you can name it to whatever you want. Then I'm gonna insert a frame inside of this. So yeah, insert a frame inside of it. I'm just gonna insert a text label. This is optional. I'm gonna put it above. The background transparency is gonna be 1. The text color is gonna be 255, 255, 255. So it's gonna say shop. Make sure it's scaled. Even if you go direct into the sun, you can still see it. And then inside of the frame, put in a text button if you want to close it. I'm gonna turn off the border size pixel because that annoys me. I recommend changing your text color, or I recommend changing the text to just X, capital X. Make it like a box. Put it in like whatever corner. And then this is kind of like if you want it to be a like close button, then it's gotta be red. To make it black. So looks like this. And then inside test, insert a text button. So then I'm gonna put it over here, and then the text is gonna say open GUI. You guys do not have to make it this. I'm just making it for reasons. I'm gonna make this like a nice blue. So that should be good. I'm gonna copy the color ID of it. The background ID, or not the background. The color of that, and then I'm gonna paste it into here. So it looks pretty nice. I'm gonna actually move this text label over here. Rename it to shop, or I'm just naming it to shop. This is basically gonna be like a shop GUI. But I'm not gonna be showing you guys how to make it, if that makes any sense. So anyways, let's rename this to, if you guys want to know how to rename it fast, click on it and then press F2. F2 click. Or, yeah. And then I'm going to rename it to close. And then make sure you inserted a text button not inside of the frame. Make sure it's out. Rename this to open. Then rename your text label to title. I think that's how you spell it. Then inside the close, add in a local script. Alright, do local player equals game.players.local player. Script.parent.mouse button 1 click. Go and connect function. And then, okay, so this is inside the close. Okay, so player.player GUI.test. Change the test right here. Change it to whatever your screen GUI's name is. Okay, so player.player GUI.frame. Change frame to whatever name is on your frame, like whatever you named your frame. Okay, and then do .visible equals false. Make sure. Yep, that's the right one. Rename it to clothes. GUI. Okay, now we can actually duplicate this. Control plus D or Command plus D. Put it inside the open. Open up the clothes GUI and rename it and change the false to true. And then rename it to open GUI. Okay, that should be good. So I'm gonna make sure this frame is not visible and the open GUI button is. So let's test it out. And it works. What do you know? Okay, so if you guys like this video, which I hope you did, make sure to like and subscribe. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.